How to configure and enable web scan for the HP Color LaserJet Pro printer series. If printer software is not enabled on your computer, the web scan feature allows you to scan photos and documents to the computer when the printer is connected to a network. This can be done by accessing the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. To access the EWS, select the Menu option from the Printer Control Panel. Scroll to the Info option and select it. Select the Connectivity option from the menu. Select the Wi-Fi section in the Connectivity menu and then print or take note of the IP address. Open a web browser, type the IP address into the URL search field, and then press Enter to open the embedded web server. If prompted that the connection is not private or that accessing the website might not be safe, select the option to continue or proceed to the website. Accessing this website will not harm your computer. Expand the Scan menu on the left-hand side of the EWS window and select the Web Scan option. If prompted, enter your password or PIN into the field and then select Sign In. If a Feature Disabled message appears in the Web Scan window, then click the Remote Scan link in the message and enable the Web Scan option by toggling the switch next to it. Return to the Web Scan window if needed. Select a document source, file type, color mode, one-sided or two-sided, and a paper size from the lists. Select the Resolution drop-down menu and select a scan resolution from the list. Note, a lower DPI setting will result in a lower resolution scan with a smaller file size. A higher DPI setting will result in a higher resolution scan with a larger file size. Use the slider bars to adjust the settings. The quality and file size slider can be increased to achieve a higher resolution scan with higher quality images and a larger file size. Decreasing this number achieves a smaller file size with lower quality images. The lighter, darker slider can be adjusted to make the scanned text or images lighter or darker than the original. If you want to restore the scan settings to default, select the Reset button. Once you are ready to begin the scan, click the Start Scan button. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.